Hi. Now we're going to dive into transfers. So sometimes kids have multiple transfers. Sometimes you want to move money from one account to another. Transfers are a feature that are available to both kids and parents, for kids who have multiple accounts and parents that always. And let's just jump right in. So there's this little arrow button at the top, which is account transfer. So let's say Johnny has told us that, hey, he wants to spend more money or invest more money in the S&P 500. He's seen that that's better. So we'll click the account transfer button and we'll pick Johnny's savings account is where we're taking money from. And he wants to move another $100 in there. Oops, 100. And we're going to transfer it to Johnny's investment account. So as a parent, you can also transfer it to Cindy's account. As a child, you can only transfer between your own accounts. Then there's this little note that's important to see here, right? It can take up to 24 hours for a transfer to complete, but the money will be deducted immediately from the source account. So that means that Johnny's savings account will immediately have $200 instead of $300, but Johnny's investment account will have only $100 for about a day. There's lots of reasons for that. A lot of them are about gaming the system. So you could make a transfer middle of the day to avoid a bad day on the market, for example. But it also does simulate how a bank works. Quite often transferring between accounts can take a day, and so that makes it a little realer. And as always, you can always kind of put your mouse on top of these little eye buttons and see what means what. So click transfer, and you can see there's Johnny's savings account. It's $200 less. You can see it says transfer to Johnny's investment account, $100. Go back here in Johnny's investment account. You don't see the money yet, but trust me, it'll show up within a day. And that's how you do account transfers.